Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're gonna shape and we'll clean up and tint our eyebrows. You're gonna need some hair dye. This is the Just for Men, like the hair dye for them. This is one I use. You're gonna need a good pair of tweezers. You're gonna need a nice brush and a little razor. So these are my eyebrows right now. They have some grow out already. Oh, and you're gonna need Q-tips. So I go ahead and start by just cleaning them up. So just tweezing whatever has grown out. I go ahead and go in with this and just shape. Kind of help reshape it a little bit. So that is how I clean up my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side. So now that my eyebrows are nice and clean, you wanna get a little, just like a disposable container or whatever. This is just a plastic thing. And you're gonna put equal parts of the dye and the developer onto here. So just do a little glob like that. And then a little glob like that. Okay. And then this is the brush that I use to fill in my eyebrows. It has this little like smudgy sign, and you just want to stir it, mix it together till it's fully combined. And then you just go ahead and fill in your eyebrows like you would normally if you were doing your makeup. You want to keep a Q-tip on hand though, in case you do kind of step out of the line or whatever. You could go ahead and clean it up fast. Now this lasts for me about a week. Okay, that's one eyebrow, and it looks crazy. It's gonna be okay. Once you're pretty satisfied with your shapes that you have, you want to go ahead and set your timer for 5 minutes, 5, 6, give or take, and then after that you'll be ready to wipe them off. See you guys in 5. Oh my god, what if I leave them like this? So it's been about 5 minutes now. So what you do next is you grab either toilet paper or tissue. I have cotton balls, and you just kind of swipe it on. It looks so nice. Just spray some water in here. And then just take off whatever residue you have. Your brow is tinted. Now this, like I said, it's only gonna last like a week, but it's 1 week of not having to do your eyebrows. There you go, guys. These are my eyebrows now. I really like doing this. They look good. Bye.